Do you think intelligence is unique to humans? Then you haven't met the Caracals yet. Do you know what they do when they are cornered by a predator? They don't run. They just collapse where they stand as if saying, okay, I give up, do what you want. At that moment, their bodies begin to emit a scent of death foul enough to disgust any predator. But that's not the real trick. The Caracal slows its heartbeat so much that a predator examining it could swear it died hours ago. The moment the danger passes, it resurrects within seconds as if nothing ever happened and vanishes quickly. So what happens when the predator turns its back and walks away? Sometimes to survive, you don't need to be the strongest, you just need to be the best actor. And it seems that nature's greatest performer is much closer to us than we thought.